Forget key features and / or reviews before select Smartmak full-size portable steam sauna set, 1-person home spa sauna room for relaxation, 4 liters large steamer with remote control, timer. Upgraded foldable chair. Next, we are introduce some reasons for question, why you choose Smartmak full-size portable steam sauna set. Full-size sauna kit. Our Smartmak Steam Home Sauna Kit comes with everything you need to get your sauna on in your private home after a long day work. Including sauna steamer, foldable sauna tent, portable sauna chair, anti-slip mat. Easy access. This new front fully transparent design personal sauna tent gives you a wider view and you can open the side door at any time when you feel uncomfortable. Double-headed hand access zippers features easy access, and 2 pockets to free your hands, so you can use your phone / read a book / magazine. Collapsible design, easy to assemble. This special pop-up design takes less than a minute to open the tent. Indoor sauna tent brings you more leg room due to the upgraded large size of 31.5 x 31.5 x 55.1 inch. Suitable for almost everyone. Energy efficient. This single-person sauna kit indoor steam sauna comes with a 4 liters large capacity steam generator, which has a 1600 watt high-power heating element and can reach a max temperature in no time. Heats up quickly. Time and 16 levels remote control the 4 liters steamer to produce stable and enough steam for our full-body sauna spa. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.